Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to create a brand new public board on Pinterest using the updated app interface. Whether you're organizing your favorite ideas or sharing inspiration with others, setting up a public board is a great way to showcase your creativity. First, open the Pinterest app on your device and head straight to your profile. Once there, look for the section labeled Pins and tap on it. This is where all your saved content lives and where you'll start creating your new board. Next, find the plus sign icon, usually located near the top of the screen, and tap on it. This will open a menu with several options. From these, select Board to begin making your new collection. Now it's time to name your board. Choose a title that clearly represents the theme or topic you want to explore. This name will be visible to everyone, so make it catchy and relevant. After naming your board, you'll see an option labeled Keep this board secret. Since we want to create a public board, make sure to toggle this option off. This ensures that your board will be visible to all Pinterest users, allowing others to discover and follow your ideas. Once your board is named and set to public, you'll be prompted to choose pins to add to it. You can select from your existing pins or add new ones that fit the theme of your board. After selecting your pins, simply tap Done to finish the setup. And that's it. You've successfully created a new public board on Pinterest. Now you can continue to add pins, organize your ideas, and share your inspirations with the Pinterest community. Creating boards is a fantastic way to keep your favorite content in one place and connect with others who share your interests. Thanks for watching and happy pinning.